Welcome to Sam Tech Official. In today's video, we're exploring a topic that's reshaping the way we work and live, how machines are propelling our work forward. From manufacturing to healthcare and beyond, machines have become essential tools in enhancing efficiency, creativity, and productivity across various sectors. Join us as we dive into the incredible ways these advanced technologies are transforming our world and driving growth in every industry. Machines have drastically transformed the manufacturing sector by enhancing efficiency and productivity. Automation replaces manual tasks, enabling faster production cycles and consistent quality. Robots working round the clock ensure higher output and fewer errors, while advanced machinery executes complex processes with precision, improving overall product quality and operational efficiency. Precision technology has brought significant advancements to agriculture. GPS-guided tractors and drones now help farmers monitor crop health, manage field conditions, and optimize resource use. These innovations lead to better crop yields, reduced waste, and more sustainable farming practices by allowing farmers to make data-driven decisions. Diagnostic machines like MRI scanners and automated lab equipment have revolutionized healthcare. These tools provide detailed images and precise test results, which are crucial for accurate diagnosis and effective treatment planning. Consequently, healthcare professionals can make better informed decisions, improving patient outcomes and streamlining healthcare services. Computer-aided design (CAD) software has significantly improved the design process. CAD tools enable designers to create detailed models and simulations, make precise adjustments, and collaborate efficiently. This technology accelerates the design process, fosters creativity, and helps bring innovative ideas to life more effectively. Automation in financial services has transformed trading, risk assessment, and customer service. Advanced algorithms process large volumes of data rapidly, providing insights for investment decisions and fraud detection. This automation enhances efficiency, reduces operational costs, and allows financial professionals to focus on strategic tasks and client interactions. AI chatbots have revolutionized customer service by providing instant responses and handling routine inquiries. These bots use natural language processing to understand and address customer questions around the clock, improving service efficiency and allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues. Automated warehousing systems, including robots and conveyor belts, have transformed logistics. These machines manage sorting, packing, and inventory with greater speed and accuracy. The result is reduced operational costs, fewer errors, and improved delivery times, leading to a more efficient supply chain. High-performance computing (HPC) has accelerated scientific research by enabling the rapid processing of complex simulations and large datasets. Researchers can explore new theories, develop innovative solutions, and make breakthroughs across various fields, from climate science to genomics. Modern collaboration tools have made remote work more effective. Technologies like video conferencing, cloud storage, and project management software allow teams to work together seamlessly from different locations. These tools enhance communication, streamline workflows, and support flexible working arrangements. E-learning platforms have revolutionized education by offering personalized learning experiences and interactive tools. These platforms use machine learning to adapt content to individual needs, enhancing engagement and learning outcomes. Students and educators benefit from flexible and accessible education options. Point-of-sale POS systems have modernized retail operations. These machines streamline transactions, track inventory in real time, and provide valuable data insights. Retailers can optimize their operations, enhance customer experiences, and make informed business decisions based on POS data. Heavy machinery has revolutionized the construction industry by speeding up project timelines and increasing precision. Machines like excavators and bulldozers handle tasks that would otherwise be labor-intensive, leading to more efficient construction processes and higher quality results. Smart grids use advanced technology to optimize energy distribution and consumption. By employing sensors and data analytics, these grids reduce waste, enhance efficiency, and integrate renewable energy sources. Consumers benefit from reliable power and lower energy costs, while utilities can better manage energy resources. Virtual reality (VR) technology has transformed entertainment by providing immersive and interactive experiences. VR machines create simulated environments for gaming, film, and live events, offering innovative forms of entertainment and enhancing user engagement. Autonomous vehicles are set to transform transportation by improving road safety and efficiency. Using sensors and AI, these machines navigate and make driving decisions independently. The widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles promises reduced accidents, lower costs, and enhanced mobility. 5G technology represents a significant advancement in communication, offering faster data speeds and more reliable connections. This technology supports a wide range of applications, from smart cities to advanced IoT devices, enhancing communication and enabling new innovations. Genomic sequencing has advanced precision medicine by providing detailed genetic information. This technology allows for personalized treatment plans based on an individual's genetic makeup, leading to more effective therapies and improved patient outcomes. Modern surveillance systems, equipped with advanced cameras and analytics, have enhanced security measures. These machines monitor real-time footage and detect potential threats, contributing to safer environments in public spaces, businesses, and residential areas. AI-powered hiring tools have transformed recruitment by automating candidate screening and selection. These machines analyze resumes, assess qualifications, and conduct initial interviews, improving the efficiency of the hiring process and enhancing the quality of hires. Sensor technology has improved environmental monitoring by providing real-time data on various factors like air and water quality. These machines track environmental changes and identify issues, supporting better decision-making and contributing to sustainability efforts. Thanks for tuning into Sam Tech Official. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into how machines are revolutionizing the way we work. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What machine or technology do you find most fascinating? Drop your comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.